Spoiler alert, I love this bag. What is poppin', my ninjas? Antonio over here. So I'm telling you guys this because I don't want to hear you guys make fun of me. My hair right now is at the awkward growing stage. I'm currently growing it out. Sorry, it's gonna be flopping around constantly when I'm talking. So yeah, don't make fun of me or you'll hurt my feelings.
Oh, you poor thing.
But I'm so excited for today's video. Today's video is going to be a different kind of review. I'm going to be reviewing on my favorite carry-on case. So my favorite carry-on case for this year is by a brand called Tailor. And I think the bag is named BUBM, which stands for Be Unique, Be Myself. Damn. Shoutouts to Melinda from Tailor for sending me this bag. I in no way, shape, or form sponsored by Tailor, but if I were to be sponsored, hell yeah, give me more free stuff. I like how it's very clean, not too bedazzled, but very sophisticated at the same time. Aesthetically looking, it's so simplistic, so beautiful, very like minimalistic. I love these sort of like details on the zippers. Like I love how they put the brand on here as well. So before we open the bag, let's talk about the dimensions or the sizing of the bag. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I forgot to measure it. What I do know is exactly the same length as an iPad. Don't let the size confuse you. You can stuff so much stuff in here. Like the contents that you can add inside is a lot. So upon opening, you'll see that there's actually 2 layers to the bag. This is the first layer. Originally, this design is for gadgets. So if you see these mini pockets right here, this is actually where you're gonna stuff like wires, cables, USB ports, or any camera equipment. If you're very into gadgets, this is gonna be an amazing carry-on case. You can fit wires, cables, headphones. You can fit the camera in here. How I utilize this bag is I didn't use it as a tech gadget carrying bag. I actually put a liquor bottle right here. I used it as a liquor carry-on case. Just kidding, I didn't do that, that's messed up. I got this bag with like a couple of clothes, a couple of t-shirts, a couple of like jewelry, even my deodorant. Yeah, it's girls deodorant. I have sensitive armpits. Don't judge me. Boom. I used it as a toiletry bag, and it was such an amazing, convenient bag, easy to take out stuff. This is, mind you, this is just the first layer. My favorite part of the bag is actually the second layer. So underneath this first layer is another freaking compartment complete with this mesh bag with the zipper. If you want to add more like gadgets, you can even. I was able to fit like socks and underwear on this compartment. Like no kidding, guys. Like I was able to fit at least good for like 3 days. And then this section right here is typically where you would put your iPad. It actually comes with this like Velcro like dividers. It's so cool, guys. Like check this out. Like you can literally put this anywhere, and it sort of acts as like a divider like for compartments. And then you can like get freaking creative with it, guys. You can like put it like right here, and then like have it stuck right there, or okay, let me fix it right there, or you can make it like, damn it, it's getting stuck. But you guys get the point, right? It's like you can pretty much play around with like how you want to divide it. Well, this retails for about 22 bucks. I'm gonna link it in the description box below. You can get it on Amazon for $22, guys. I'm not even kidding. This is a steal. Again, I'm not sponsored. I literally just love this bag. It's like it's just so stylish, so practical. Put in the comment section below your favorite carry-on case or any suggestions for carry-on cases. Until next time, ninjas. Tailor, if you guys want to send me more free stuff, of course I'm gonna have it.